on the trail and doing other videos about everything I know about skating, watching stuff, and playing. So come along with me. To get to the end of the trail. And right here, in the middle of the center of it, it is a tree house that we're still trying to build. We don't know what all we're going to build on it though. We still haven't finished it. So, as you can see, we're not done building it. But on this trail, we got another clubhouse. Just like the tree house. So, if you know about the trail, then maybe you have to come along. And just like over here, we have web. And a spooky web. So, for the spooky web, it's because Halloween is supposed to be coming up soon here. And then when Halloween comes up, we're going to need them up for a reason. So that's why we got this right here. We got this right here. We got all kinds of webs everywhere. We got a spooky man right here. He's knocked down. And I wonder why. You can see everything that we know. But if you know, then maybe you should have something on with it. But sometimes you might get stuck. But it's very fun because if we walk on here, then we can make our own video. And if y'all want to watch my video, maybe we have to make it though. So if you want to make a video too, I can make a video for y'all to watch. And probably soon I can make another video. I probably today I might make another video. Today is my first video. So I'll do my second video after it. So if you see everything partners with us, I'm still trying to talk. So if you've been on the trail, y'all know that's all been. And if y'all been, then maybe you should like this trail. So let's get busy and let's follow where the lead is. So we know where we're going, and we know where we're going, and we kind of make it. So we make it. There's the only time to make it. If we made it, then that means I can make my video about everything I know about playing, watching stuff, and skating. And the trail is so much fun. So if you've been on the trail before, then maybe you could be on it another time, or another time. If you know about this trail, then maybe y'all should come, follow along, and we know everything about what we've done on the trail. It will be fun enough that it was. If it's fun enough it was, then why don't you come on the trail again? And if you come on the trail again, I'll make another video. And the video is going to be down more. So, my deal is about trail and everything else. If you make a trail, you don't know about the trail. If you make a trail,